Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add funds to your Robinhood account. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the account icon. Tap Transfers and then Deposit Funds. You'll need to link your bank account if you haven't already. This process is secure and usually takes just a few moments. Once linked, you can easily initiate a transfer from your bank directly into your Robinhood investing account. To link your bank, Robinhood uses a secure third-party service. You'll be prompted to select your bank from a list. After choosing, you'll securely log in using your online banking username and password. This step verifies your account ownership. Once logged in, confirm the specific checking or savings account you want to connect for transfers. This ensures your funds go to and from the correct place. After linking your bank, you can initiate a deposit. Enter the specific dollar amount you wish to transfer into your Robinhood account. Double-check the amount to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Robinhood will display a summary of your transfer, including the estimated arrival date. Once you confirm, the transfer process begins. You'll receive a confirmation message, and your funds will be on their way. Keep in mind that Robinhood often offers instant deposits for smaller amounts, typically up to $1,000, allowing you to trade immediately. For larger transfers, it might take up to 5 business days for the funds to fully settle in your account. Always plan your deposits accordingly, especially if you intend to make time-sensitive trades. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.